Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'd like to show you how to make these wonderful turmeric nuggets. This is made from turmeric, cinnamon and ginger powder. The combination can be changed per your liking. You could have more of turmeric and less of cinnamon, whichever. And it's very easy to have. Just put them in hot water and you could make tea of it, or you could powder it and put it over your salad or smoothie. So let's get started. So all you need to make these tablets are half a cup of turmeric powder, quarter cup of cinnamon, quarter cup of ginger, and a little less than a third cup of pepper. And additionally, you will also need some parchment paper, a plastic sheet, as well as a rolling pin. Next, combine all the dry ingredients together, just like when you bake a cake. Next, add half a cup of honey, quarter cup at a time. Mix well to make it into a nice dough. Use hand mixer if possible, and then use your hand. Once you make it into a dough, roll it into a ball so that you could make a thin sheet of it. Just roll into a ball and put it over the parchment paper. Place the plastic sheet on top of it and start rolling into a thin sheet. Once you've rolled it into a thin flat sheet, you'll have to peel off the top plastic. Do it carefully or you could get air bubbles like I did. So I couldn't manage to do the whole thing properly, so there was a little air bubble. So do it as close to the sheet as possible to avoid it. Now all you need to do is kind of cut it into square pieces and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, and your tablet should be ready in 10 minutes. So the only reason we put this in the oven is because turmeric is better absorbed by the body if it's cooked. So we put this in the oven at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. So you could see in 10 minutes it'll get change color like this into a little brownish color, and it gets a little crispy. That's when you know it's ready for use. So as you can see, I have this big jar of the tablets. It's a good supply of 60-day supply, and it's best stored in an airtight jar so that it maintains its crispiness. All I do is powder it and I mix it in hot water, which gives me my morning tea, my morning turmeric tea. And all I add to that is a dash of honey. I mean, you could add agave or whatever sweetener you like, or maybe if you don't want it sweet, just add a dash of lime juice. So do try it and let me know, give me some feedback, and I'll come up with some new recipes, healthy recipes. Also share. Thank you for watching.